Hi guys, welcome. We also follow, of course, what happens on the internet. And what I've downloaded is, let's see if it's correct. So this one can go Zorin-OS-17. So that's the name, Zorin-OS-17. It's the beta version that people have written a documentation about. But it's not Arch, right? It's not Arch. That's, for me, a bummer and a no-go. But why not have fun inside, right? Virtual machine. How does it look? How does it feel? Change a disk, and then we go to the downloads. Voila. So this is 17. It's beta. I don't care if it's not stable or not, because I'm not going to use it. So try and install, try and so on. Save graphics, NVIDIA drivers. Always use the buttons, the E. So we have some information, and maybe ubiquity, quiet and splash. Save graphics will add no mode set to it. And E again, NVIDIA Zorin as name there. So in VirtualBox doesn't really matter. Well, you don't have to have the NVIDIA drivers, right? So first option is a good option, and no mode set would be also good, but probably gonna make the screen a bit too small, as I don't want to end up with a screen 800 by 600. I want to end up with 1920, 1080. Let's hope so. So let's have a look, Zorin, and install the Sardi and the Surfn Icons onto it. And let the machine first do its job. We have some music. Control F, Control F. It's not making it bigger, so we'll have to do this. Install Zorin OS. I guess I better click here. Keyboards. There we go. There we go. Belgian keyboard. Continue. Download updates. Well, let's do this later. Install third-party software for graphics, Wi-Fi, and so on. Since it's VirtualBox, doesn't really make sense. Continue. Erase disks. There is an advanced option, but we are good with the default one. The default one is X4. Continue. Still living in Brussels. My name is Eric, and I have a very complex password. Voila. And then it's doing its business. It's like on all the installers, you need to get the information from A to B. You either open this up or you close this if you're interested in what's going on. 7 threads of 4 processes, so it's working with threads. Starting the installation. There's a Zorin kernel here, swap file. And off we go back to the end. And you have to learn everything, right? What this operating system entails, but how to maintain it, how to update it, how to remove stuff, how to install stuff. It's not Arch. I think it was Debian. We'll see it shortly. Almost finished, this says. Right mouse click. It's not much that is responsive, just this thing here. And we are retrieving stuff. I wonder, because I said not to update things. It seems to get stuff from Ubuntu archive. So there's that. It's definitely Ubuntu based. Security Ubuntu, we're on Yummy. So Yummy here, or Yummy, I don't know. In Dutch we would say Yummy. And probably in English Jammy or something. Patches coming in. Translations, icons. So okay, configuring hardware, so we're scrolling. Here we are. Database, installing all kinds of things. UEFI, grub install. ButterFS programs. There's some GNOME stuff in there. Hunspell is removing it. Okay, he's removing it rather than installing it, seems. So he's cleaning up stuff. Removing NVIDIA's Zorin Live. Is removing all kinds of things. So first get everything in, and then get everything out. Okay. ZFS was there. Language packs that go out. Quite a few. That's done. We're at the boot files. No right mouse click, nothing to have a look at. Control T, that's working. So you could actually go for ls and then see what's on there and see where all the packages are being put, somewhere probably in temp or something, where they mount the hard disk from VirtualBox and put everything on it. So we're at 6.2036.7. I opened something up to my right screen, and we are on ArcoLinux on 6.6.4. They are at another version, simple as that. I'll leave in the middle if that's good or not. Ten minutes in the video. All right. As a presenter. Let's see if it immediately boots up, or should I remove the ISO? No, that's okay. So this looks like GM. Don't know. So welcome to Zorin-OS-17. Start the tour. Why not? Open the menu to launch apps. We hear some noise in the background, music. Next, choose Zorin Appearance. Launch Zorin Appearance. Ooh. That will cost money, I suppose. Background, let's make it black. And white or dark. That's another look. We definitely need to change our icons. Let's stick with this one. Layout. Either this or that. I prefer a menu. The bottom here. Bye. And then next. 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 Yeah, well. That's that. Do we have something to browse the internet? We have Firefox. It does not react to resize the screen. So I type in screen, I type in settings, all right. Settings, Bluetooth notification, display. 1920, 1080, apply, keep it, and do it away. And then let's get Sardi Icons. Icons Sardi. We should get the files on SourceForge, so we're gonna go to SourceForge. We're gonna accept all this rubbish and files. That's the one I want. Next one is Surfn Icons, and now we get that one from the git clone. That's okay. We can have a zip file if you want to, zip. So we got that and that. That's finished already. So this one can be extracted here. Let's see. Sure. And this is what I need. Control X, Control A, Control X, Home, Control H, dot icons not available, new folder, dot icons, Control V. Let's see if it finds it. Settings. Oh yeah, right. This has no icons whatsoever. How did we get to the icons? So there was an application where we set it. Zorin Appearance. Okay. And now we have the theme. Icons. Oh, cool. It's there. So this is what it would look like if you have Surfn. Okay, cancel. White or dark. I wonder. Control T. Yeah, it's working. New fetch. Not present. Sudo apt install neofetch. Voila, neofetch, and we got this. Okay, so what you see is, well, the information you could ask me is in here. How many packages are there? Flatpaks are available here. Mother, GNOME. So now we know we're on GNOME, basically. Mother, sudo pacman. Oh, apt remove, and then GDM. GDM3 is installed. Okay. How about me going to computer user share applications? No, nothing to see here. This is what I don't like about these apps, and this is files. Don't like files, that's for sure. Control T, but I do love my apt install Nemo. It's a bit, well, a few packages, but I'll be happy if I have my Nemo. And then the other download was, let's open another one. The other download was Sardi. Extract here. That's Sardi. And voila, done. Control A, Control X. In Home, in .icons. We had those guys as well. It's still installing, so we do the Zorin thing. Zorin appearance. And we say, let's take Sardi. Ooh, Sardi's not there. Let's do it again. Yep. Let's do it again. Zorin appearance. Theme. And now we have Sardi Papyrus color. This one. Then it looks like this. And there are two icons more to create. The Zorin Connect and the Upgrade Zorin-OS, which do not exist yet. So basically that's work for me, that's for later, and it's because of, no, let's go for Nemo. Nemo. Is that Nemo? It is. So file system, user, share first, yes, user share, and then applications. And then we have a nice overview. So all these guys are the guys that are not following the icon theme. This one is because of, well, let's do it with a text editor. Because of the icon naming. So Zorin-OS upgrader is one name I need to fix. Thunderbolt, oops. Thunderbolt's maybe okay. So Zorin Connect and upgrade. So Zorin Connect is another one, probably with the Z, right? Zorin Connect upgrade to this one. That's Zorin-OS upgrader. This one is called Zorin Connect. And probably all these guys are Zorin Connect. So I'm looking at the icon name. Ooh, that's not Zorin Connect. It's GNOME shell extension Zorin Connect. All right. So all of these guys need to have another icon. This is okay. Python is okay. We won't see it. Maybe in utilities. No, all good. So basically 2 icons to fix. This is the tour. We can keep it like that. Why not? The tour. And that's the application that it runs. No thanks. And it has to be a foot here somewhere. Don't see a foot immediately. Ah, here. So right mouse click, open with text editor. If I would like to change afterwards, after uploading this video, I should name it GNOME Tour with a capital T, and then the icon will also be applied. So there's this. Worked for me, right? Change things so that our icons are also nice on other distros, like this one. In this one it will not be that obvious that the coloring is different, that the theming is different, because of the fact that it just blends in with all the others. And that's the thing with Sardi, it's all circular, so I really need to figure out which ones I have to make, but in Surfn that's quite okay. Alright, a check for the Surfn. The icons, you can find it ericdubois.be if you say I want to learn more how to create icons, how to make icon themes. ericdubois.be, that's where I put everything. Okay. Let's see, the website still works. Ooh, it's slow. There you go. Lots of articles, lots of well, explanations how to do everything, and we've installed so many things already on so many distros, and I can add that we're on distro 118, and Zorin is probably already in there, but probably an old one. So Zorin-OS-15, so now we're on 17 beta. So voila, had a look. Gonna add some icons to both of them, and then, well, more compatibility. Cheers.